A student's iTunes music library has a very large number of songs. The mean length of the songs is 243 seconds, and the standard deviation is 93 seconds. The distribution of song lengths is right skewed. Using his digital music player, the student will create a playlist that consists of 25 randomly selected songs. We'll do parts A through C here. Part A first is the mean value of 243 seconds an example of a parameter or a statistic? Explain. Now, a parameter is a number based on the entire population, in this case, the entire population of songs. A statistic is a number based on a sample. In this case, we're told that the student has a music library with a lot of songs, and the mean length of the songs is 243. Well, what does this mean? It means that what we have here of 243 is a parameter because you're being told that it's the mean of this entire group of all the songs. If we had made this calculation based on just taking the 25 randomly selected songs and then finding the mean, then we would have had a statistic. Part B, what should the student expect the average song length to be for his playlist? Well, we're told that the mean length for all the songs is 93 seconds. If we take 25 randomly selected songs, then we can expect it to be the average length to be 243 seconds. In our previous video, we did a simulation and we saw that if our sample mean is based on a random sample, then we can expect our sample mean to be equal to our population mean. So we're going to expect that when we take the 25 randomly selected songs, we get our average length is 243, the same as the parameter. Part C, what is the standard error for the mean song length of 25 randomly selected songs? Now for part C, we're going to need a formula that we saw in the previous video. In other words, we need a formula for the standard error, and it is sigma over square root of n. So let's go back to part C. We're going to use this formula, sigma over square root of n, to find the standard error. How do we use that? We plug in sigma and n. N is the number of songs that we select at random, so it's the number of things randomly selected, and we're told that's 25. And then we're told that the standard deviation is 93 seconds, so sigma, remember, is our symbol for standard deviation for a whole entire population, and so we plug that into the formula. Now if you plug these numbers in, you get 93 over 5, because the square root of 25 is 5, and then if you put it in the calculator, you get 18.6 seconds.